Welcome back, everybody. We're at 11 Mile Reservoir in Park County, Colorado. Everybody knows I'm the world's worst ice fisherman. So today we're out with our friends Stefan and Allison. They're great fishermen, and before I could even set up the camera, the first northern pike. Oh my goodness. My camera batteries are dying out, but we are gonna make fish tacos. Woo! Let's give it a try. We're filleting the fish, and Levi got one, and we got another one coming in. My goodness.
Todd's got a big one.
Oh, mama. It's a fat one. Time for fish tacos. Beautiful fillets, cutting up into small pieces because we're doing little street size fish tacos. Stefan and Allison did a video here a couple years ago where they used Panko bread crumbs, so we're gonna use Panko on ours today. I brought some eggs from home, have them in the cooler. We'll break these up, pour out my breadcrumbs. We'll use the tequila lime today. Mix that up. I like to use queso, fresco, cotija, or any Mexican crumbling cheese on my tacos. Crumble this up and get it ready for later. We're Team Winter, by the way. Shout out to anybody watching from Pennsylvania. My parents were originally from the Punxsutawney area, so Team Winter with the groundhog. Blackstone Camp Griddle. You'll see me using all of the griddles, but these camp models just heat up so fast. 5 minutes or less, and they're over 500 degrees, so hard to beat when you're out in the field. I just thawed out my avocado oil. The fish should cook up nicely in the avocado oil. Gonna set myself up a little assembly line. We're gonna drop the fish into the eggs, pull the fish out of the eggs. We'll drop them straight in those bread crumbs with that nice seasoning. I also want to point out that I have the shelter well ventilated. You never want to cook on one of the Blackstone outdoor griddles. Indoors, there are exceptions. I have windows open here, everything's good to go. I have to jump in and say something too, so where's Allison? Allison right here, Stefan. I've been watching these guys on YouTube for years. I met them, I think 7 years ago or so at Garden of the Gods when I worked as a guide for Adventures Out West, and they had just, I think, recently moved out here. My goodness, and I'd watched their fishing videos for years. This guy knows how to fish, and so we're having such a good day today. We're having an amazing day, we're having an amazing time. No way. But this guy knows what he's doing. This is actually a good problem to have. I'm trying to film the cooking video and I can't get anything done because we keep catching fish. This is amazing. They're a predatory fish, so you can keep as much as you want. And if you're able to catch 10, 15 pounds, you can take them home for the freezer. It's amazing. Northern pike, baby. And as I was walking back to the tent, Aaron just caught a very, very nice rainbow trout. I'm gonna back the heat down to low and we can put these down to sizzle up on low heat. Just nice little pieces. It looks so good. Simple recipe. Panko breadcrumbs, eggs, Blackstone's Tequila Lime seasoning. I wish you were here to smell this. 5 or 6 minutes, everything looks so good. You don't want to overcook fish. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go in for a preliminary. Let's give it a try. Gonna move all this fish over to the left side. I turned that burner off already. You know how much I love the Mission Street Taco tortillas. You can't go wrong with corn, but corn, they're so weak you have to double them up. So I just go with flour. You can use corn if you want to. These flour, they're absolutely beautiful. And then we'll toast up a couple of tortillas. I like to use oil, you don't have to, but it just gets nicer color. Just little golden brown edges. Fish is done, so we're gonna scoop that up and put it over here on our cutting board. Don't want to overcook fish. A lot of times when people are starting out cooking, they're paranoid, right? Seafood, they don't want to eat it raw necessarily, so they overcook it. Toast it to perfection every time. I'm not going to tell you if I burned any of these off camera because I wasn't quick enough to pull them off the griddle. And that's really all you want right there. I want color accents, I want them to look pretty, but we want them to be nice and pliable. We don't want to get these crispy like a tortilla chip because we want to be able to fold a nice taco. Who burned this tortilla? Fish done, tortillas done, let's turn the griddle off. All right, taco time. So I like to put just a little bit in there because we go with a lot of toppings. So we're gonna put a little pile of that delicious golden brown northern pike. I forgot my fresh lime. I meant to bring fresh lime and cilantro. I know you're not supposed to admit your mistakes, but when you're camping or when you're out in the field, you always forget stuff. But the cotija cheese is gonna be perfect. Drizzle a little crema on top. You know me, I have to have the Cholula chili garlic. It's so good. I forgot the cilantro, but I have spinach for another recipe. So we are gonna cut this spinach up into teeny weeny little pieces. So a little bit of my fake cilantro. You're gonna tell everybody that it was real cilantro. Take a look at that. We might be out here in the Rocky Mountains, but that doesn't mean that we need to sacrifice flavor. Fish taco time. Oh man, I'm so excited to bite into these extra crispy fish tacos with the panko breadcrumbs. They're gonna be killer. Let's give it a try. Got one coming over to Stefan into the camera lens. It's right here. Well, there you go. Fish tacos made with fresh northern pike. They were so delicious. What an amazing day. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We got some great footage. It's absolutely spectacular out here. Big thanks to my friends Stefan and Allison. Check them out at Catchin' Dinner, CATCHN' dinner on YouTube. They have some of the most amazing field to table videos. Seriously, moose hunt. He got a moose this past fall. So much fun. We'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com and make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, this is Todd. We're saying praise the Lord and pass
The fish tacos.
So good.